Hi, it's Barry Joyce here, and I want to shoot this quick video just to show you one of my income streams that is I have had for quite a while, actually a few months, and it has been working okay, and I've just upped it and I want to start paying more attention to it, and I just want to show you exactly how it's working for me. Before I do that, please note that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just purely educational purposes. And like everything, in particular with crypto, it is a risk, and only invest if you're going to do so what you can afford to lose. So here I am on Litecoin AutoMining. Now this is on the dashboard. Now firstly, what I wanted to quickly show you is this here. So the Telegram. I'm always interested in looking at people's social media followers, etc. when I do my own due diligence. And again, I strongly encourage you to do your own due diligence and checks before taking this any further. So if you just have a look at their Telegram, there's almost 18,000 subscribers. So you just click on the link there. So they are very transparent, and they always giving you updates, so that's a good sign there of almost 18,000, and it's growing daily. So if I just go back to my dashboard, now here I'm on the account overview. Look, so at this current time I've got $78 worth in my balance. What I'm going to do is I'm going to compound some of this. I'm going to buy purchase another miner, and I'm going to show you a withdrawal of the rest of it. So in order to do that, let's just come back to this one. So I'll speed up the miners in a moment. So if I have a look at my deposit history, look firstly, and as you can see, I joined in May 18th of this year. Up until the time of this video I'm shooting is the 26th of August 2023. Now if you go all the way right down, look, there's my deposit. So I made that was an error there. I tried to put 10 in, but I missed the zero off. So I just started with $10, look, on May 18th, and all I simply done, and this was for a 10-day contract, which I'll show you in a moment how it works. And I just compounded it, and I was making, not a great deal, just a couple of dollars again. I'll show you the profit margins in a moment. And then on August 16th, look, which was 10 days ago at the time of this video, I just invested $300. So when you go to withdrawal, look, so I'm just going to go to withdrawal history. So on the 23rd, so 16, so 10 days, sorry, 7 days within that, me investing the 300, I withdrew $110, and it literally took minutes to do that. Now I'm going to show you over in my Binance exactly where it went into. So there is the withdrawal there. So if I quickly just go over to my Binance and show you, so just take note there, the 23rd of August. So on my Binance, look, I successfully deposited, so it went into my Binance on 1.69, so nearly just under 2 Litecoin at the time of the pricings of that Litecoin there. That deposit was made. Now if I click more, and as you can see there, look, so within the last 7 days, so on here, look, that's where I made the deposit. There's all the hash, the TXID code, etc. So everything's all fully transparent. So if I just go back over to my dashboard, you can see exactly there that was withdrawals. And as I said, it literally took minutes to do that. Then you've got all your deposit histories, your earning histories. Again, these are all the earning histories. This will go all the way back from May. So as you can see, let me go all the way right back to my original investment back on May 18th. Look, so making a deposit there, we're on there. So if I just go back onto that page, so as you can see, it's not a great deal, look. So you're making snippets of daily $1.10 here and $1.10 there, and you do that for the 10 days. So in effect, after the 10 days, you are about $2 in profit. So if I go all the way right back, so as you can see, when I've gone back there to the home page, so like I said, the day of this time of this video, 26th of August, I'm making approximately $17 daily, look. And that is there because that 5 cents bit there is from my other miner, my $10 miner, which is still running. So you can compound, and I'll show you. So there, look. So it's very transparent. So it's approximately $17 per day. If you wanted to promote things and put it on your website, you've got promotional tools, etc. down there. You've got your advanced security. But what I want to do, I'll just head back to the overview. And here, look, so this is here where if you want to make a deposit, purchase a miner, withdraw. So if you wanted to purchase a miner, you can either click the speed up miner or purchase the miner, look. And you're taken to this page. And these are the contracts that you can do. So as you can see there, you know, your 10-day period. So your daily returns is $1.1. So you can get up to 5% commission rates as well. So if you wanted to introduce friends and family to this as well, then you've got a $30 one for 30 days and so on and so forth. So the rest after the $10 one, it's all 30-day contracts, look, and it goes up in price. So depending on how much you were to invest would depend on your daily amount. So if you were to put in $50,000, you'd be $3,500 on a daily rate. So if you were interested in doing that, and again, you can sign up for free. You're not obliged to do it, so you can just sign up a free account, get yourself a look around, get yourself comfortable, do your due diligence, and then if you want to do so, you can just select whichever miner you want to purchase. As I said, I started with the $10 one, and then I jumped to the Tesla, where I invested $300 or $310, I think it was. On there. So what I'm going to do is I am going to actually buy another contract for 30 days. So in this case, I'm going to buy the $30 gigahertz contract. So it's for 30 days, $30, look. So what you do is you just click select, and when you scroll down, you've got different ways to make your deposit. Now, if you're just starting off and you want to make your own deposit from one of your exchanges, select how you want to make your investment. So you've got all of your different coins and currencies there, so you can use anything you want there. I think I just put in $10 in Tether, and then I put in, I think it was about 3 Litecoin for the $300, which at the time I can't remember what the exact price, but I think I'd put in $3, 3 Litecoin. So that's if you're going to just make your first initial payment, so it's external. Once you've started and you want to just keep compounding and you want to buy using the money from your home or from your profit. So if I just quickly go over to there, look, so I've got $78 in my balance. So I'm just going to go speed up my miner, and then, like I said, just click select there. Now, because I'm going to use my profits inside my dashboard, I'm just going to click deposit from internal. As you can see there, look, there's my balance. So once I go spend, so amount to spend, I'm going to spend 30. So I'm going to spend the $30. I'm going to speed it up, spend. There you go. So now I've got another contract. So I've got 3 contracts running consecutively. So I'm going to progress to that. And there you go, deposit has been successfully added. Now, what will happen is the email address that you register with, they will send you a copy of that email, and I can just see my email flashing. So I'm just going to show you now. There we go, look. So there's my email, 26th of August at the time. And it's just told me there, I've just deposited $30 of Litecoin from the auto contract for 30 days. So again, that's fully transparent onto there. So let's jump back over to my dashboard. Now, if I go back to overview, of course, that $30 will have been deducted there. So I'm left with just short of $50. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you another withdrawal. So I'm going to just withdraw that, put it into my Binance, and then it'll be all happy days. And then all I'll do when I come up tomorrow, again, that balance will just go up on a daily basis. So if you did withdraw, you just withdraw. Now, what you will have to do is when you're setting up, and again, it's really dead straightforward. There is actual videos on how to do that. You just need to set your wallet addresses. So when you go to withdraw, you put your wallet address in. So Litecoin there. As you can see, I don't know where that's come from, Doge. I've got no idea whatsoever. I actually think that was a bonus that they sent. They do send bonuses, random bonuses out. So they kindly give me a few cents worth of Dogecoin in bonus. So with the Litecoin, I'm going to select that. That's the address it's going to go to. Withdraw. How much again was it? I'll put 48. So I'm going to withdraw 48. Request. So there's your confirmation there. So now what we need to do is just confirm. So it's 0.7. So it's actually quite a good time for me to withdraw that, because at the time of this video, the market has had a bit of a downfall. It's crashed. So Litecoin has dropped quite significantly over the last week. So hopefully it'll go on the rise again. So I will profit even more when the price range goes up, because that is in dollars there. So that's 0.7 in Litecoin. So I'm going to click confirm. There we go. Withdraw successfully sent to your Bitcoin address. It says Bitcoin address there, but I've actually done Litecoin. So there's my balance left there now. So what'll happen now is they'll get us a new email. I'll just wait a few seconds because they're very fast with the emails. And then what I'll do is I will pause the video, and then I will come back once the transaction has gone successfully deposited into my Binance account. So there we go. Look, there's the information to say the request for 48 from. There's the IP address and where it'll be going to, and the other email is just confirming that $48 has been sent to your Litecoin account. So what I'll do is I'm going to quickly pause this video, because so as you can see there, look, there's the time that they sent the email. So it's 0807 on Saturday the 26th of August. And when I come back, it'll see the time and just exactly how long it took to go into my Binance. Okay guys, so I'm back now. That is my deposit saying it's been successfully into my Binance account. And as you can see there, the time is 0812. This is from Binance, and that has only taken 5 minutes to hit my account. Let's jump over. I've never actually checked my Binance, so let's go and see if it is in there. And there we go, guys. So that is it there. So it actually took 4 minutes to hit the Binance, and it's obviously taken a minute for Binance to send the email, but it's approximately 5 minutes. I was notified. There again, look, there's all the transactions all there. So your TX ID. So just heading back over to my dashboard if we're in Litecoin. Go to overview. And there we go, look. So that's it now. So if I was to go to deposit history, I think it should be. There we go, look. Yeah. So again, there you go, look. So from me making that deposit from this morning up until now, so I now have my running is sorry, let me go back to speed up miner. I now have a $10 10-day contract. I'm just going to keep that rolling out. A 30-day contract now, and of course I do have the 30-day contract with a $300. So that's it, guys. It is working. It's a very good platform. It has been going for quite a while. As you can see, I've been in it since May, but haven't really, to be honest, I really forgot about it. I should have paid more attention to it, but it was just people was bringing it to my attention, and I start looking on the Telegram and getting emails from Litecoin AutoMining. They're very transparent, so I decided to pay attention. So this is going to be one of the income streams that will be on my agenda. If you have any further questions, then please feel free to reach out to me. Happy mining.